Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods Pro not connecting issue on iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to connect your AirPods with your iPhone but you are unable to connect your iPhone with your AirPods, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply close the box of your AirPods, and then you have to simply reset your AirPods to the factory settings. So guys, for that you have to simply press and hold the button behind your AirPods for 30 seconds. So guys, here you can see this button. Simply press and hold this button for 30 seconds. So guys, keep holding the button for 30 seconds, and after this you have to open your AirPods again. And now you can see this, the AirPods Pro are appeared here on the screen. Now you have to simply close this window, and then you have to simply go back and now you have to open settings and then go to your Bluetooth, and now you have to simply tap on your AirPods which are available here, and here you can see this, the AirPods have been appeared on the screen. Simply take out your AirPods and then tap again on AirPods, and now you can see this, your AirPods have been connected. So guys, what you have to do is that you have to simply reset your AirPods to the factory settings, and after this your AirPods will be connected with your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.